Hello, this is Dire Moon here. Today I'm just going to, since I have school today, I decided I was just going to do a small walk around my neighborhood, just to kind of do a small nature walk or something. Hope you're all doing pretty well. I don't know how this channel's going to work. I might do maybe some Fortnite gameplay or something, but since I'm kind of in the middle of like school and stuff, I can't really do that. But this is how good I am at Fortnite, honestly. I mean, Fortnite's still a pretty fun game, along with like Season 6 and shit. But yeah, this is kind of what my neighborhood looks like, just some trees and stuff. So yeah, I'm just doing a small little walk just to get to my bus stop. So it's actually kind of chilly out now that I look at it, but this does look pretty nice to live around a nice little neighborhood here. But yeah, I might do some Fortnite gameplay. I have a Switch and an Xbox, so might do either one. You guys can go ahead and tell me in the comments below. Also, you guys can let me know if you want a face cam or not. You can always just tell me that. I also could play Paladins, Call of Duty, just kind of an assortment of games. So, that being said, I gotta get to my bus stop, so I'll see you all later. Hope you like this video, and I'll see you all very soon.